Hi, I'm Dan Cattaneo. Welcome to my world, the world of varmint hunting. Everybody asks what kind of calibers they bring out, and it's always a good idea to bring two rifles, a smaller rifle and then a little bit larger one. One for shooting up to 100 yards, maybe to 150 like a 17 HMR, or even a 22 long rifle is a good deal. They don't make hardly any noise, and the dogs will really let you shoot at them when you get your benches set up. Younger kids out here, they have a great time, and it's great for them to learn how to use their gun properly and learn what a gun is capable of doing. One kid shot over 1,000 rounds of ammo. He did a lot of shooting and stuff, so you can, it's very feasible to shoot 300 rounds a day. Killing is our business, and business is good.